Welcome to DNC Travel Guide. Today we're exploring Lisbon, Portugal's vibrant capital and a city brimming with history, culture and charm. From its picturesque streets and historic landmarks to its delicious cuisine and lively nightlife, Lisbon has something for every traveller. So get ready to dive into the beauty of this coastal city and discover its many treasures. We'll also provide practical advice on transportation, local customs, currency and accommodations to ensure your visit is as enjoyable as possible. 1. Belem Tower. Our Lisbon journey begins at the iconic Belem Tower, a historic fortress located on the banks of the Tagus River. Built in the early 16th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site once served as a defensive structure and a gateway for explorers setting sail for the New World. The tower's intricate manualine architecture and stunning river views make it a must-see. Explore the nearby Belem Cultural Centre and the Monument to the Discoveries, which celebrates Portugal's age of exploration. Don't forget to try the famous pastel de nata, custard tarts, from the nearby Pastel de Belem Bakery, a Lisbon institution. 2. Alfama District. Next, we venture into the Alfama District, one of Lisbon's oldest and most charming neighbourhoods. Known for its narrow, winding streets and colourful buildings, Alfama is a maze of history and culture. Explore São Jorge Castle, which offers panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. The castle's ancient walls and towers provide a glimpse into Lisbon's medieval past. Wander through the traditional alleys and discover quaint shops, local eateries, and Fado music performances. Alfama's atmospheric streets and historic charm make it a delightful area to explore on foot. 3. Praça do Comercio. The Praça do Comercio, also known as Terreiro do Paço, is one of Lisbon's grandest squares and a key historical site. Surrounded by impressive buildings and facing the Tagus River, this large square was once the site of the Royal Palace and is now a hub of activity. Admire the triumphal arch of Arco da Rua Augusta and take a leisurely stroll along the square's expansive promenade. The square is also home to various restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy a meal or a coffee while soaking in the beautiful surroundings. 4. Bairro Alto. For a taste of Lisbon's vibrant nightlife, head to the Bairro Alto district. This bohemian neighbourhood is famous for its lively bars, eclectic restaurants and bustling atmosphere. By day, Bairro Alto is a charming area with narrow streets and historic buildings. By night, it transforms into a vibrant hotspot with live music, cocktails and dancing. Explore the area's numerous bars and clubs, or enjoy a meal at one of its many trendy eateries. Bairro Alto's energetic vibe makes it a great place to experience Lisbon's nightlife. 5. Lisbon Oceanarium. The Lisbon Oceanarium, located in the Praca das Nações, is one of the largest indoor aquariums in the world. The facility features a central tank that replicates the open ocean environment and is home to a variety of marine species, including sharks, rays, and colourful fish. The Oceanarium also includes smaller exhibits focused on different marine ecosystems. A visit to the Oceanarium offers both educational and entertaining experiences for all ages, making it a great family-friendly attraction. 6. The LX Factory. The LX Factory is a creative hub located in a former industrial complex. This trendy area is filled with art galleries, boutique shops, unique cafes, and lively restaurants. The LX Factory hosts various cultural events and markets, making it a dynamic spot to explore. Browse the eclectic shops, enjoy a meal at one of the trendy eateries, or simply soak up the creative atmosphere of this vibrant district. 7. Sintra. Just a short drive from Lisbon, Sintra is a picturesque town known for its fairy tale castles and lush landscapes. Visit the colourful Pina Palace, perched atop a hill, and explore its whimsical architecture and stunning gardens. The Moorish castle offers panoramic views of the surrounding area and a glimpse into Sintra's medieval past. Don't miss the Quinta da Regalera, an enchanting estate with a mystical garden and an elaborate initiation well. Sintra's romantic ambience and historical sites make it a perfect day trip from Lisbon. 8. Eduardo VII Park. Eduardo VII Park is a large green space in the heart of Lisbon, offering a tranquil retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. The park features beautifully manicured gardens, walking paths, and panoramic views of the city and the Tagus River. The Estufa Fria, a large greenhouse within the park, showcases a diverse collection of plants in a lush tropical setting. A leisurely stroll through Eduardo VII Park is a great way to relax and enjoy Lisbon's natural beauty. 9. Calouste Gulbenkian Museum. The Calouste Gulbenkian Museum is a must-visit for art and history enthusiasts. The museum houses an impressive collection of art, ranging from ancient Egyptian artifacts to European paintings and sculptures. The collection includes works by artists such as Rembrandt, Monet, and Renoir, as well as a diverse range of decorative arts and antiques. The museum's serene gardens and well-curated exhibits offer a cultural and artistic respite in Lisbon. 10. Tram 28. No visit to Lisbon is complete without a ride on Tram 28, a historic yellow tram that winds through some of the city's most charming neighborhoods. The tram route takes you through Alfama, Bairro, and Praca, offering a scenic and nostalgic way to see Lisbon's iconic landmarks and picturesque streets. Hop on Tram 28 for a delightful journey through Lisbon's history and architecture. 11. MAAT Museum of Art, Architecture and Technology. The MAAT, located on the banks of the Tagus River, is one of Lisbon's most modern and striking cultural institutions. Its futuristic design, featuring a wave-like structure, makes it a standout landmark. The museum hosts a diverse range of exhibitions that focus on art, architecture, and technology, often showcasing innovative and contemporary works. The surrounding area, including the nearby Electricity Museum, adds to the cultural experience. The riverside location also provides beautiful views and a pleasant place for a stroll. MAAT offers a unique contrast to Lisbon's historic sites, highlighting the city's commitment to modern creativity and design. 12. Fado in Chiado. For an authentic taste of Portuguese culture, attend a Fado performance in Chiado. Fado is a traditional genre of music characterized by its melancholic and soulful melodies, often accompanied by guitar. Chiado, a lively neighborhood in Lisbon, is home to several venues where you can experience this deeply emotive music. Fado in Chiado is one of the premier venues offering an intimate setting for live performances. Enjoy a night of heartfelt music and traditional Portuguese cuisine as you immerse yourself in one of Portugal's most cherished cultural traditions. Advisory tips. Transportation. Lisbon's public transportation system includes trams, buses, and metro services. The city is also very walkable, especially in areas like Alfama and Bairro Alto. Consider purchasing a Lisboa card for unlimited travel and discounts on attractions. Local customs. Lisbon is a friendly and welcoming city. When greeting someone, a handshake is common. In restaurants, a tip of around 5 to 10% is appreciated, but not always expected. Dress is generally casual, but smart attire may be preferred in certain restaurants and venues. Currency. The local currency is the euro, EUR. Credit cards are widely accepted, but carrying some cash for small purchases or in local markets is a good idea. Accommodations. Lisbon offers a range of accommodations from luxury hotels to budget hostels and boutique guest houses. Booking in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons, can help you secure the best options. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey through Lisbon. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the city's vibrant culture, historic landmarks, and scenic beauty. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to DNC Travel Guide for more travel tips and destination guides. Until next time, happy travels!